But as far as the NBI is concerned, kailan kaya kayo officially file the first case? I understand as well, bago lang po kayo. But,
No,
but in your mind, what is the
doon po
timeline
kasi
looking at?
nakapag-file na po kami ng mga cases before the prosecutors.
With the DOJ.
With the DOJ.
Sila na
Yung
po
DOJ magka-file.
DOJ na magka-file.
later on pa magsasampa
Sa fiscal.
sa court.
Sir, if I may, mostly these are engineers and contractors. I think what most people are waiting for is whether or not there will be a big fish as far as, for example, congressmen, senators, or anybody na hindi kag lang ng wheel. Somebody higher up, mga politiko. Meron bang na-recommend o nasampahan ng information?
Yung pong
along those
mga
lines?
nauna naming ipinail ay wala pa pong nabanggit. Pero dito po sa mga susunod ay malamang meron na po.
Could you give us an idea?
I cannot just give the...
No names
I
yet.
don't want to preempt the...
I understand, sir. Pero at the very least, anong nature ng trabaho ng mga to na nakikita yung sasampahan ng kaso? Kahit wala pang pangalan, I understand that. Pero anong level?
Katulad
Congressman,
din po
senator,
ng,
legislators? Ano?
nabanggit nila, ito ay mga elected officials.
And
Politiko.
yung charges would be
Yan,
the same as
tanungin mo
the
na kasi,
first batch.
politiko.
Meron. Opo.
Yung charges that you will file are the same as the first batch, which is malversation based on falsification of documents, corruption.
Sa
Pareho
corruption
lang
po,
po. Okay.
Which is non-bailable. Kung malversation with falsification.
Doon sa kung
Oo.
aabot po doon sa threshold at papasok lahat ng elemento, magiging non-bailable offense po ito.